You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Today's daily shout out goes to you. If you would like to receive a daily shout out, all you have to do is comment on my new video, comment on my Roblox group wall, or buy some merch. And yeah, let's go on to the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is set up your GFX like you normally do. I'm not going to explain how to do this, but you can watch one of my beginner tutorials if you'd like to know how. Okay, so now that we're done setting up our GFX, we're going to want to start adding good quality. So first you're going to want to make sure you have this camera icon, that's where you are right now. And once you're there, make sure, here's resolution. Now pixels is the size, so if you have a small size GFX, then make sure the resolution number is high. If the resolution number is high, you can make it as small as you want, but if you're having the resolution at 50%, I would not recommend having at how big it is, 1000 by 1000 pixels. So yeah, but pixels is the size, and then this other percentage number below that is basically quality, that like basically decides it. The quality, the lowest amount I would have that is 50, but most of the time I will have it 100. If I was making a basic GFX, I would have it 50. And the next thing you can do is click sampling. Now, keep in mind, doing sampling will make your rendering take so long depending on how high you make the numbers. I never mess with this ever because like this will make your GFX look so much better, but also what it will do is make the quality, it makes the quality so much good, but like, okay, I'm just not patient enough. Like, you're gonna have to wait so much longer to, yeah, you're gonna have to wait so much longer if you turn that on. But yeah, so that's that. The next thing you can do, you can click that icon, and you can click denosing. That basically gets rid of gray, and I'll have a picture on the screen. So it gives unwanted fuzz and stuff. It makes it overall so much better. You just have to click check. So simple, not that complicated. And you can click the world icon, and you can actually turn on ambient occlusion. Now here's the thing, so a lot of people might not turn it on because it makes it all bright, but you can actually like like you can turn the factor down if it's too bright. That's what I always do, because I like to turn on ambient occlusion because it makes quality better. But yeah, you can turn factoring down. But yeah, those are my few tips to get better quality on your GFXs. I really hope this helped you. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment what's your favorite part of the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye, gummy bears.